3. Welfare for old age. Elderly people often have limited regenerative abilities and are more susceptible to diseases, syndromes, injuries, and sickness than younger adults. The organic process of aging is called senescence. The medical study of aging process is called gerontology. And the study of diseases that afflict the elderly is called geriatrics. The elderly also face other social issues around retirement, loneliness, and ageism. Population of the old age people 60 plus 60 million in India. Aged suffered from numerous familial, social, economical, and psychological problems. Can you define old age welfare? Institutions provide services concerned with the physical, social, economical, psychological well-being of old age. Types of elderly abuse: physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional or psychological abuse, neglect, abandonment, financial or material exploitation, self-neglect. Causes of elderly abuse: family situations, family stress, caregiver problems, personal problems, cultural issues, lack of respect for elderly, economic causes, lack of welfare program for old age. 1. Reasonable amount for old age pension. 2. Free medical care. 3. Housing facilities. 4. Recreational facility. 5. Old age homes. Look at this national pension system. Government welfare facilities mitigated by providing necessary welfare facilities. 1. Reasonable amount for old age pension. 2. Free medical care. 3. Housing facilities. 4. Recreational facilities. Government service superannuation. PF 8 to 10%, pension, civil service pension, old age pension scheme for above 65 years, role of voluntary organization. Help Age India was established 1978. Age Care India established in 1980. Aim serving to aged male and female. Role of nurses on old age welfare. Care, geriatric care, cure, treatment, prevention of diseases, promotion of holistic health among old age, implement government programs. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.